Welcome, this is the Family Law Channel. I'm Scott Drake. By now we've all heard about the unmitigated violence associated with this year's Black Friday shopping sprees. The question is, how can we prevent this kind of thing from happening in the future, and who's liable? My guest is retired Superior Court Judge in Santa Clara, California, and the host of the Family Law Channel, Judge Eugene Hyman. Judge Hyman, welcome back.
Thank you.
So with all this violence, what can we do to stop this kind of thing from happening?
Well, I think the solution is a pretty easy one. Number one, there needs to be more training of security personnel. Mm-hmm. There needs to be a plan in terms of how you let people in the store. And the other thing has to do with potential false advertising. In other words, the district attorney's office, the consumer unit, needs to make sure that these stores are being fair with respect to the number of items that are for sale at the advertised price. Mm-hmm. One of the reasons why shoppers are acting crazy is because of the sense that there isn't the availability. There's only a couple of items at this price. If there are sufficient items, then there's less likely to be these kinds of responses. The other thing is civil lawsuits. I can guarantee you that victims at these various locations are going to be suing these shopping centers, these stores, and if they get substantial verdicts, including punitive damages, that's going to educate places in terms of making sure that they have an educated security staff, and that the security staff has a relationship with local law enforcement, that it's a coordinated response to these kinds of crowds, rather than just saying whatever happens. That's asking for the trouble that ultimately happens in these cases.
Well, these kinds of incidents have been growing over the past few years as Black Friday has become more and more popular among many people. We appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day. We understand that you're working out at your club right now, and we applaud the fact that you're taking care of your health, Judge Hyman.
Hey, I'm trying to live as long as I can.
Okay, well, so we'd like to have you around as long as we can.
Right,
this is the Family Law Channel. Thanks for watching.